As you can see, we only have this room to work. Right, that's about 350. Alright, so what you could do, I have the other gable here. I'll put the other one here. This one. I like to use the wall all the time when I'm working by myself. So we'll put this one right against the wall. So make sure the bottom and the top one should be ready. Now, it's either way, you can start the top one or the bottom one. If you're comfortable, you start the bottom one first, start the bottom one. But this time we'll start in the top one. So you need a step ladder, put it right in the middle. The advantage to start on the top one is to hold these two, to hold them. Okay. Start. Here. Lock it. Then we go here. Where's my mallet? There you go. Now it can stay. Now we can do the bottom. Now, those one first. And this one. Now this one. Again, just to remind, this one here, the leg, the head of the bolt, you have to let it stick out like this. The reason why you do that like that, when you install and when you're putting it there, you may not notice that you'll be dragging this one on the floor. Right, so yeah. There you go. Now this one. To line up everything. Line up this too. We're good. Now we'll do the back panel. Okay, so what do we need? Masking tape. The step ladder, of course. And now it's ready. One here, one here, one there. All right, I'll use this hole. Wait, what did I do? I'll put one more because of the way. So make sure, use your thumb to push or pull it up. Right there. Okay. So I'm using this side to square the box. So I'll push it tight like this. Push a little bit. So I use my thumb to pull or to make it tight right in the corner. And we can put one here. Alright, so leave the top one for now. We'll go inside. So right here, because we're squaring with this, we're squaring it on this side, right? So make it push all the way tight, make it tight. And let's go down. Same here. So now we're good. Now we can put one right at the end. All right, so now we're going on this side now. See, we did this already, right? So now we're in here, like what I was saying again from my other part 1, part 2. So whatever the gap on top there, make it the same. Just like, make it the same here too. Just like that. And don't make it tight like this, right? So again, whatever the gap on top, bring it all the way down to the bottom like that. See that? This gap there. So here, make it the same. Because if you don't do that, make it like this, what's gonna happen? You're going to have a problem to put it like this ones. Okay, so let's do that. Now we can nail it. Okay, so now it's all good.
for the